My friend Eva runs an Airbnb with a relatively big swimming pool, and she herself, being a model, has a very tight schedule. So it's a tough task for her to clean the pool and keep it polished. Well, she has asked me to find her a very good robot pool cleaner. I have done some research and found a value for money solution: SMOROBOT Tank C1. This tiny beast comes with a value price tag but performs like a flagship. Cleans the swimming pool like a monster, cleans all kinds of dirts and debris. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, then we will check the features and performance of this SMOROBOT Tank C1. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. There is no way I'm gonna talk about outlook and appearance of a robot pool cleaner, cause it's gonna stay underwater inside the swimming pool. Anyway, it has a sturdy build quality and I personally think it looks nice. Especially I like the handlebar and the LED light placement. It's easy to understand and operate. Also, there is a slider button on top. We can select the mode using this slider. Okay, I'm not gonna turn this video into a tutorial. There are many out there, you may check those. I'm sharing my honest opinion. It's a review of this SMOROBOT Tank C1. Well, I've already shown in front there is a LED light strip which shows the battery and action status. There is a charging port on the left side which is well protected by a cover. If you are gonna get one of these, then do not forget to put the cover on after recharging the SMOROBOT Tank C1. Okay, inside this SMOROBOT Tank C1, it has 3 motors, one for pumping and the other 2 is for driving this beast around the pool. The smart pump motor provides 130 watt powerful suction. The motor can pump 3,300 gallons per hour, so it can create very heavy suction power. Moreover, the scrubbing brush has a unique design, so it leaves nothing behind it. The S-Flow anti-clog runner continuously absorbs dirt and prevents clogging. It maintains a stable dirt suction capacity, and that helps the Tank C1 to efficiently pick up fallen leaves, sand, debris, dirt, almost everything. Oh yeah, SMOROBOT Tank C1 is also equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope and it can also clean the sidewall of the swimming pool. V-power climbing pattern along with superior reverse thrust, climbable rolling brushes and anti-skid threads. Altogether, it can adapt to all the different type of swimming pools. Okay, I know I may sound like a bit too excited, or I may sound like I'm trying to soft sell it to you. If that's the one side of a coin, then think about the flip side of the coin. I'm excited because SMOROBOT Tank C1 performs like a monster. I have tried some other robot pool cleaners which cost similar to SMOROBOT Tank C1 and none of those have performed as well as SMOROBOT Tank C1. Well, at the beginning, Eva was a bit skeptical too. Can this tiny machine clean her pool? How is this better than the others? Because her pool has stairs, curves and corners. How this tiny machine will perform better than the others? How will it know its cleaning path? Actually, SMOROBOT have their own AI path planning algorithm. SMOROBOT Tank C1, using all of its high precision sensors, can generate a map of the pool and decide the most effective cleaning path. SMOROBOT Tank C1 can precisely control its motion and get into all the corners of the pool, or if there is any curve or something like that, it works perfectly fine. When we have arrived at Eva's place with this SMOROBOT, her pool was full of dirt. After she has placed the SMOROBOT into the pool, she has got surprised by the performance.
You can fly, but you'll never get closer to the sun. You may rise.
So after 25 minutes, she took the SMOROBOT out of her pool to check the performance. Wow! Within 25 minutes, it has already picked up a lot of dirt and debris. Yeah, it's easy to open the top lid and easy to remove the trash basket. The trash basket is durable and sturdy. As we can open the trash basket, it is easy to clean and rinse it. I have already mentioned about the ergonomic wide handle design, so it's easy to retrieve the Tank C1 from the pool. I personally recommend that you should use the hook along with a long stick to pull the SMOROBOT out of the water. But if you want, then you can also go into your pool and bring it out like Eva does. How you pick it up or retrieve from the water, that doesn't matter. It actually doesn't feel that heavy, thanks to SMOROBOT's intelligent drainage design. When picking up SMOROBOT Tank C1 from the water, it quickly drains the water, and that makes it feel lighter than its competitors. That's why Eva has managed to pick it up from the water. Well, every time it finishes cleaning or whenever the battery is low, Tank C1 will go to the edge of the pool and will stay there, which makes it effortless to retrieve Tank C1 from the pool. Talking about the battery, SMOROBOT Tank C1 offers up to 150 minutes of battery life, and when the battery is drained, it takes around 2 hours and 30 minutes to get fully recharged. Once it is fully recharged, it can clean up to 2,500 square feet. That's really a big number, because a swimming pool of 2,500 square feet area is massive. Okay, that's all about this SMOROBOT Tank C1. In the process of helping my friend Eva, I have learned a lot about different types of robot swimming pool cleaners. I have done a lot of research, and at this point, I think SMOROBOT Tank C1 offers the best value for money. It comes with a very cheap price tag, yet performs better than many other robot pool cleaners. Some of those even costs 2 or 3 times more than this SMOROBOT Tank C1. I have left a link of this SMOROBOT Tank C1 in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. If you wanna buy the product, you can buy it from anywhere. I don't believe in affiliation. I'm not gonna earn a single penny from you. I'm here to share my honest opinion. I just wanna let you know, yeah, out there on the market, there is a very good value for money robot pool cleaner available. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.